We're really excited to share a new product launch today. It's been 2 years in the making, carefully curated to bring a true luxury product to market. Let's start with the product itself. Teak has been trusted for centuries in the nautical and fine furniture industries because of its natural oils, stability, and ability to withstand demanding conditions. The solid teak flooring is sourced from plantations to ensure sustainability. Next, it undergoes a rigorous quality and precision milling process to finish 3/4 of an inch thickness. And it's available in 3 1/4, 4, and 5 inch widths. Now, we're able to source lengths 1 through 7 foot with a very strong average between 3 and 4 feet, which it creates a balanced and elegant visual in your space. My favorite feature is how naturally stunning this floor looks. That is why we went with a clear satin finish, which lands between a matte and a semi-gloss to really showcase the beauty of the wood. We talked about the surface of the finish. Let's dig a little deeper. It features a Bona HD factory finish. This UV aluminum oxide fortified urethane finish is applied in 8 layers, and it's really designed for performance. So much so that it's backed by a 50-year residential and a 5-year light commercial warranty. This product's really made to last. There you have it. Help us welcome Teak as the new addition to our luxury hardwood flooring collection, sold exclusively at AdvantageLumber.com. If you want more information on Teak, watch the video above. If you want more information on certifications, warranties, or our flooring collection, hit the links below. See you next time.